So to tie this gele, one side is shorter than the other side. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are tying gele, a very simple gele which is called the Rose Gele. So even if you don't have an idea of tying gele, you've never tied gele before, or you don't even tie hair ties, this one will be very easy for you to learn. It is something that is very easy, that even a novice can do it in no time. So this gele is made easy for you. It is beginner friendly. You should just stick by, follow the procedures I used, and in no time you'll be able to do this yourself even more professionally. So first of all, we start with creating your pleats, but pleats are best done on your leg or on your hand rather than on your head. But you can also do a good pleat on your head just like I am doing, but you can try the other way if that's actually what you're comfortable with. So roll the two sides of the gele. Roll the two sides, roll and roll until you have a very strong or firm roll. So get your rubber band to secure this together. Get your rubber band. You can get one or two, but strong rubber band so it doesn't cut while you're doing that. After which, arrange your rose very well and use your pin to secure it. Make sure you arrange it very well to form the shape of a good rose that you'll be comfortable with. Then use your pin to secure it afterwards. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So this is the final look. It is actually a very simple gele that you can tie even if you don't have any idea of tying gele. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please click that like button if you're yet to click that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, be a part of this wonderful community, and you can check out my other videos that you will find useful. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.